Belfast Nights, a symphony of contrasts and unity. The night in Belfast, like any other city, is an intricate tapestry woven with the threads of diverse experiences. It's a journey through the ups and downs of human existence, a nocturnal symphony where disparate elements harmonize and collide in a cacophony of sound and sensation. As I ventured into the city last night, the atmosphere was charged with a palpable energy. The screams of joy, laughter, and perhaps frustration permeated the air, creating a vivid soundscape. Yet, amidst the chaos, there were whispers of the rain, a soft, soothing undertone that seemed to connect the city's pulse with the natural rhythm of life. Couples walked hand in hand, navigating the city streets like dancers in a nocturnal ballet. The incandescent lights illuminated their path, casting a brilliant glow on the city's face. It was a scene of contrasts, the tender moments of intimacy juxtaposed with the blaring honks of cars, a reminder of the relentless urban pulse. Taxis lined the streets, waiting patiently for a chance to transport a late-night passenger to their destination. Each honk and engine roar added to the symphony of the city, a chaotic melody echoing through the dimly lit streets. In the midst of it all, the cries of women dressed for the occasion and the occasional display of manhood by some echoed, adding a layer of tension and duality to the night. There were moments when the city felt both dangerous and inviting, distant and close simultaneously. The binary nature of the experience created a well-armed chaos of voices, music, footsteps, and wheels, reflecting the complex tapestry of urban life. Yet, in this chaos, locals spoke their language and shared their stories, creating connections amidst the discord. Laughter echoed in the distance, a testament to the resilience of joy in the face of the night's challenges. The music, heard loudly, became a unifying force, drawing people to dance in the streets without fear of judgment. Multiple languages intertwined, creating a mosaic of cultures and identities, each contributing to the vibrant patchwork of the city. However, not all moments were euphoric. Some individuals, overwhelmed by the night's excesses, vomited on the pavement, a stark reminder of the horror and division that coexisted with the celebration. Yet, even in this raw vulnerability, there was a strange unity, a convergence in unison from the cacophony of sounds and voices. The night, a continuum of beginnings and endings, showcased reflections of bodies on the rain-soaked pavement. Puddles told stories of moments past, each ripple effect a testament to the vibrancy of the city. It was not just the sounds that reverberated through the night, but the vibrations, feelings, memories, and connections with the past, as well as hopes for the future. Bodies in motion, almost uncovered or shielded by the cold, displayed a spectrum of human expression. The freedom to traverse the streets without the fear of death gave a sense of lawlessness, a double-edged sword of liberation and uncertainty. In the midst of this, Voodoo, the metal bar in Belfast, drew attention with its thunderous metal music. Power Trip's reminder that life is fleeting resonated, paying homage to the departed but immortalizing their spirit through music. The city, pulsating with life, became the soul of its inhabitants. As the night progressed, it vibrated and echoed with the sounds of the world. The dark night became a canvas for personal connection, a moment to be one with the city and the world. The midnight anthem, For Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica, pounded through the speakers, signaling the end of the night's symphony and the time to return home. In the final chords of the night, as the echoes of the city's vibrations lingered, it was a reminder that Belfast, with all its complexities and contradictions, is a living entity, an ever-changing, dynamic force that pulsates with the collective heartbeat of its people, reminding us that it'll be grand.